in a time where we have the most amazing tools to create incredible value out of our data, we have a hardware infrastructure that cannot keep up. And that's where Scream comes in. Through our partnership with Nvidia, which is 14 years old at this point in time, we have created a software solution that runs on almost all Nvidia hardware that allows data to be processed natively on a GPU, which means that you can bring GPUs into the enterprise, whether on-prem or in cloud, on your VPC, wherever you wish, in order to accelerate any data pipeline. Using Scream on Nvidia is like having the HOV lane open up with no one on it, and you just zoom right past. That's the impact that Scream has on data processing. And together, those two things on Oracle has built the most AI-centric cloud, and it is just the most efficient, effective way to break through the bottlenecks and create tremendous value from structured data.
So we can bring information from lots of different systems. We have over 450 connectors to different systems. So we can bring it from SaaS applications, we can bring it from storage, we can bring it from applications like SharePoint, other things, bring it all together and then make sure that personal information's removed. We can make sure that it's the right data with the right permissions, all of these types of things. And then flow it into an LLM, whether it's powered, the NVIDIA NIM, and then deploy those out into production.
Our customer base has been historically a lot of very large FinTechs that are all obviously running in cloud environments. But we're expanding now to also support global tier 1 banks and other types of financial institutions that are obviously also Oracle customers. So we need to be able to kind of meet our customers where they are in terms of the environments they want us to work in and data access and all the provisioning and all of that. So it's just great to have partnerships like this as the ecosystem develops. So it makes it easier for a startup like us to be able to kind of bridge the gap and support some of the most complex companies in the world.
So we spent a lot of time in DC, but also in capitals in Europe and the UK, in Asia as well. The challenge in our space is that AI is accelerating so quickly, much faster than regulations can keep up with them. And while we're very optimistic, we're pro-AI acceleration, pro-AI exceptionalism, the regulations still have some time to catch up. And what we expect when we discuss with leaders, for example, within Washington, D.C., where we give testimony to the Senate Judiciary Committee, is simple, transparent regulations that on one hand support AI innovation, but in this edge case of fraud, provide clear protections for consumers, because right now, with our team of nearly 50, our PhDs can't tell the difference with their own eyes. What does that mean for an average person?
Yeah, so we really care about scale. Today we do about 100 million transactions, a couple 100 million transactions weekly that go through the platform, and millions of documents. That's less than 0.5% of everything in the United States only. The bigger that gets, the better our platform gets, and the more we can serve our customers. So yeah, we want to get that to at least 10% in the next 3-4 years, and then further. So we really care about scaling efficiently and making sure that this is everywhere and that you don't have to think about data anymore. It's like an abstraction layer that we provide, and then you have to think about your end product and can deliver them quickly. No, just yeah, really excited about what's ahead, and the event was a blast, and we are very fortunate to partner with Oracle and with Nvidia. They've been super hands-on, and it was a massive support. We signed a bunch of customers, partners just in the last few days, so it's been fantastic.